Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Avon Park local and long distance movers near me. Want to embark on a local move within this lovely city? Avon Park local TM movers are here to ensure a seamless and stress-free transition. We provide packing, loading, transportation, and unpacking services, taking the burden off your shoulders and allowing you to settle into your new home smoothly. With our expertise and attention to detail, Movers Avon Park ensures your belongings are handled carefully and arrive safely at your new residence. Are you preparing to embark on a long-distance move from Avon Park? Avon Park long-distance 3 Movers are experts in providing seamless moves for your cherished belongings. Keeping your items safe is of utmost importance, and as reputable movers, we prioritize the security and well-being of your possessions. Moreover, pricing plays a significant role in your decision-making process. Avon Park long-distance 3 Movers offer transparent and competitive rates that fit your budget. We know every move is different, and we take the time to assess your specific needs and provide a tailored pricing solution. Regarding long-distance moves, you deserve a moving company that understands the challenges and offers reliable solutions. Avon Park long-distance 3 Movers are here to guide you through this journey. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Avon Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.